What's up guys, hope you're doing well. Welcome back to another video. So today's video is going to be about wind technology for rooftop renewable energy. And this type of wind technology for rooftop is Aeromine. So basically Aeromine is a new bladeless wind energy solution that is designed to integrate with building electrical systems and with the existing solar energy systems to help commercial owners meet with the increasing demand for the on-site renewable energy. Aeromine Technology's innovative, scalable, motionless system easily installs on the edge of a building, generating up to 50% more energy at the same cost of a rooftop solar PV. Aeromine system consists of 20 to 40 units that are installed on the edge of a building, facing the predominant wind direction. So it's designed to work seamlessly with a building's existing electrical system. The combination of Aeromine's wind solution with rooftop solar that can generate up to 100% of a building's on-site energy needs, whilst minimizing the need for energy storage. But the main question is, how does Aeromine's system differ from previous wind energy products? Aeromine is a highly innovative solution and not really comparable to the existing wind turbines that you see normally. Historically in the past, rooftop and small wind systems either don't generate meaningful power or they're not that scalable due to the environmental and visual impact concerns, making them very untenable. So that's why Aeromine is a unique in that sense, where it can generate meaningful on-site energy without the project concerns legacy small wind systems. Unlike the noisy and visually intrusive wind turbines that rely on rotating rotor blades and are prone to maintenance issues, Aeromine is motionless. The patented design is based on known principles of aerodynamics and high-performance internal rotor systems. This works similarly to the airfoils on a race car by capturing and amplifying a building's airflow to create a downward pressure. So Aeromine generates power by leveraging the inherent aerodynamics of a building and the pressure created by the patented airfoil system that drives our internal propeller, generating energy. So the main question is wind energy better than solar energy, and by how much? Wind energy is generally more evenly distributed than solar around the clock during the day and night, especially when solar is not working. Therefore, it generates energy even also during the snowy and rainy days. So therefore, it is widely considered the highest performing renewable energy source. Requiring just 10% of the roof space needed by solar panels, the stationary, silent, durable Aeromine unit generates around-the-clock energy in any weather conditions. The units are sleek, motionless, and require 10 times less rooftop space than the equivalent options. So Aeromine generates much more energy per square foot than a solar panel would. With the same installed system capacity of say 100 kilowatt, a sun-rich location will produce around 175,000 kilowatt hours a year. A 100 kilowatt Aeromine system in a windy region will produce around 268,000 kilowatt hours a year. That's why Aeromine is designed to integrate seamlessly with solar, and the combination of those two can provide 100% of a building's on-site energy needs, mitigating the needs for expensive energy storage solutions. But the question is, how long has Aeromine been offering this type of solution? The technology was invented by Karsten Westargaard and has been in development in partnership with Texas Tech University and Sandia National Labs. And it has been through rigorous and extensive testing and simulations. Commercial efforts launched in 2021 with the first project installed with BASF in Michigan in early 2022, and a number of additional projects currently in process. Every element of the Aeromine system is scalable to high volume, and we are selling into an existing market with an existing supply chain. With growing demand for sustainability solutions and high energy prices, this could grow very fast in the future. Initial volume production is scheduled for early 2023. But now the main question is, what are some of the challenges and hurdles the small wind energy faces in this growing industry? Traditionally, wind has been constrained by environmental and visual impacts associated with the projects. Often, small wind turbines on buildings also result in noise and vibration issues. One of the elements that is quite novel about Aeromine is the lack of any external moving parts or noise, which removes friction typically associated with wind projects and makes Aeromine a suitable solution for the built environment. Additionally, Aeromine fulfills the promise of bringing the performance of wind energy to commercial and residential property owners, which yields efficient energy production relevant to the amount of rooftop space required. So now, how do you overcome these hurdles? Aeromine's design leverages the aerodynamics of a building to amplify the wind speed. You can almost think of a building as a tower that traditional turbine requires. Assuming a building of height approximately 50 feet tall, this would almost double the wind speed. The second piece of information that overcomes the traditional hurdles is the aerodynamic unit foils that creates negative pressure that pulls the wind coming up from the face of the building through our internal propeller and generator. In this way, we are able to create AC power that can be connected to the building electrical system or fed into the microgrid. So, where do you see wind energy 5 years from now, and how does Aeromine fit in? There is a confluence of a macroeconomic and socio-economic forces, including climate disasters, Russia's invasion of Ukraine, the Inflation Reduction Act, corporate ESG mandates that are accelerating the green energy transitions. But on-site generation is a critical piece of this mix. Aeromine, when deployed either on its own or in combination with solar, can increase the on-site generation by 100% to 300%. There are other solutions as well that can be, hope to contribute to this transition. About Aeromine Technologies that everyone should know about. Aeromine Technologies has developed a breakthrough scalable renewable energy solution that harnesses the power of wind in an efficient system that is up to 50% more productive than any other renewable energy alternatives. Aeromine units installed on the edge of the building roof, they are motionless, vibrationless, and noiseless. System installations are typically 50 kilowatt or larger. So the solution is robust, long-lasting, and requires much less rooftop space than any other options to generate distributed energy. That's why it's ideal for large rooftop buildings such as warehouses, big box retailers, data centers, office, and apartment buildings. Aeromine leverages existing financial structures, installation resources, and incentives established by the solar energy industries.